Hey everyone, and welcome into today's What's in the Box. We're looking at the Mitsubishi Colt with the Sport X version kit from Fujimi Models. Now this tooling started out in 2003 when the initial release, and it started out as the Elegance version. This one we're looking at today followed that one, and then following this one was the standard version. And then following the standard version, they did a Sport version special wheel edition. And then following that, they did a first anniversary edition. And then following that, and somewhere in 2009, they did the Elegance version once again. So they did six total variations of this kit. About the kit, it's 1/24 scale, curbside, no engine. Let's check it out. And now we're going to get started with the body. And you can see it's pretty much a one-piece body. Now moving on to the first of the main parts trees, which was only a couple. Chassis, suspension, some of the interior bits, parts tree with the chassis. You can see a good amount of the underside detail is going to be molded in. There's only one drive option, that'll be right-hand drive. Actually, I don't know if this was in the... I'm sure this was exported here to the US, but as what model? Moving on to the next parts tree. We'll call this the interior parts tree, if you will. Interior bucket. Pretty light on the detail. I mean, there's some basic detail in there. Now we'll take a look at the tires and wheels together as they are already on the wheels. Now we'll turn our attention to the clear parts tree. And the decal sheet. So that is going to do it for this look at the Mitsubishi Colt with the Sport X version kit from Fujimi. Real basic kit. And yes, I'm pretty sure you can get yourself some color matched paint for this one from Scalefinishes. Mitsubishi color matched paint. Let's see why you would be able to. So, on that note, thanks for watching.